x squared times 2x minus 3 to the third. So we might notice this part is chain rule, but before we get to that, don't forget there's something multiplied by something else. Sometimes that's easy to overlook. So here's my first multiple, my second multiple, so here's my f, and the derivative of f is just 2x, derivative of x squared. And then my g, the second thing that's multiplied. And notice this one, the derivative takes chain rule because it's 2x minus 3 inside of something to the third. So this is 3 something squared times the derivative of the inside. Derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of negative 3 is 0. So derivative of the outside times derivative of the inside. And maybe I can get my coefficients together real quick. And so now product rule, first times derivative of the second, although the order doesn't really matter because it's addition. So my 6x squared, 2x minus 3 squared, plus 2x times my original second half, so f prime g. So there's a nice product chain rule derivative. All right, next problem looks like quotient rule. So I have my high and my low piece, or sometimes you can still write them as f and g and still think of it as high and low when you're trying to remind yourself which one goes first. Totally up to you. All right, so the derivative of the bottom is 2x, and the derivative of the top is 3x squared minus 2. And so then all I really need to remember for quotient rule is what order everything goes in. So low d high minus high d low. Over the denominator square we go. Low d high minus high d low. So low d high. This part will be first. So low d high minus high d low. This one times this one. And it's multiplication, so you can write them in any order. Sometimes if you have a single term, it just looks better to have it out front. And then over the denominator square we go. So over the denominator squared. So x squared minus 5 all squared. And like we said for the derivative mastery test, or depending what you're doing with the problem in general, the question is just take the derivative. So once you have the derivative, you're done. There's no need to like FOIL or distribute or get like terms together. You can just leave